I'm Fionn.
And I'm Hoel.
Some visitors will be coming to the school to find out about the things that we've been doing in class.
These people are known as inspectors. They'll be looking at all the good things in our school and if there's anything that could be better for us in the future.
Let's have a look. Understanding what we think about different parts of school is really important to the inspectors.
Before they come to school, some of us will be able to provide our views in an online questionnaire. You can do this in school or at home on your computer or phone. It's so easy to do and really helps our school give us a better education.
Your parents will also get the chance to say what they think about the school in a different questionnaire. And by meeting with the inspectors, they will use what we have said to help them ask us better questions when they visit. When they come to school, you'll see them walking around to see what's going on in class and finding out about our lessons.
You might even be asked to join a group to help them.
Hi, Hoel. Would you be interested in talking to me about your school and showing me some of your work?
Yes, please.
And if you see them walking around at playtime or lunchtime, they'd be really happy to talk to you.
After the inspectors leave the school, they'll write a report to say about what they've seen.
And that will help our education in the future.